Maluti A Phofung Local Municipality and its Executive Mayor, Councillor Vusmus Chabalala, invites all to the Pontsho tsa Maluti A Phofung Cultural Festival 2017. Come and be part of this annual Homeland and Rural Socio-Economic Radical Transformation Initiative. The Pontsho tsa Maluti A Phofung Cultural Festival will begin with a traditional carnival. The festival will consist of business and career opportunities, educational and skills development workshops, fun and leisure activities, as well as music events. Come along with family, friends, neighbors, and colleagues to have fun and enjoy with us. The Pontsho tsa Maluti Festival, our culture, our legacy.